Now we are going to be converting improper fractions and mixed numbers, all right? We're going to be converting improper fractions to mixed numbers and then mixed numbers to improper fractions. All right, let's go, let's rock. So our last example, our final answer was 8/3. So again, we're going to use that, all right? 8/3 equals 2 and 2/3. How, Miss Benjamin? How did you get this? All right, let's go through this. The first thing we need to do is divide the numerator by the denominator. And we're going to make this a division problem, all right? 8 divided by 3. When I divide, I get 2 wholes with a remainder of 2. All right, with a remainder of 2. In other words, 3 goes into 8 2 times, 2 whole times, and we have 2 remaining. All right. After that, we simply write the mixed number. All right. Okay, so 3 goes into 8. All right. 2 whole times. This number, this 2 becomes our whole number, as you can see. All right. Our remainder becomes our numerator. What's left becomes our numerator, 2. All right. And our denominator always stays the same. All right. Our denominator stays the same. And so we write the mixed number. Our whole number is 2. Our numerator is 2. Our denominator is 3. And again, it always stays the same. Okay, if you change the denominator, you change the entire fraction, and you just can't do that. All right. So again, when we divide 8 by 3, 3 goes into 8 2 whole times. 2 becomes our whole number with a remainder of 2. Our remainder becomes our numerator, and our 3, our denominator, it stays the same. All right, it stays the same. All right. So now let's go over here. Let's convert or change a mixed number into an improper fraction. All right, again, I'm going to use 2 and 2/3. What does that equal? It equals 8/3. All right. How do I do that? The first thing is to multiply the whole by the denominator. So I'm going to multiply my whole number, which is 2, by my denominator, which is 3, and I'm going to get 6. After that, I add the numerator, which is 6, to the product. 2 times 3 is a product, and we got 6. So our numerator in this instance is 2. All right, so we're going to add 2 to 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Last, the final sum, which is 8, all right, becomes our numerator. And the denominator does what? Yes, it stays the same. So a mixed number into an improper fraction, we just simply multiply the whole by the denominator, add the numerator to that, and keep the original denominator, which is 3. The denominator always, always, always stays the same. All right, I'm going to leave this up for a few seconds. If you have any questions before our Zoom session on Thursdays, parents, guardians, and students, don't hesitate to email me, text me. There's email, there's class tags. You can do it via text message and or Google Classrooms for the students. I really want, if you have questions, please, today, if you have any questions, go ahead and go on Google Classrooms and post the question, and I will answer it before our Zoom session on Thursday. All right? So again, today that was our fluency lesson. We went from adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, and then converting, all right, fractions. Again, if there's any questions, you know what to do. Google Classrooms, class tag, text message, email. All right, I am available. All right, you guys, I will see you on Thursdays. Parents, don't hesitate to join our Zoom sessions just in case you do have a question and I answer it, but you still don't understand. All right, you can definitely talk to me face-to-face via Zoom with your student or your child. Have a very, very great Monday. I will see you all on Thursday. If there are a lot of questions and we're still not understanding, I'm going to try to have a Zoom session before Thursday. All right? All right.